Welcome to this month's Heart Bunch video, brought to you by Utah State University Extension's Heart Initiative. Many of us are thinking about ways to feel better, reduce stress, and be more present in our daily lives. One powerful tool that can help with all of that is mindfulness. You've heard of mindfulness before, but what does it actually mean, and how can you start practicing it? Mindfulness is all about being fully present in the moment, focusing on the here and now in a non-judgmental way. That means instead of worrying about the future or replaying the past, you're tuning into what's happening right now. And to clarify, mindfulness doesn't mean completely clearing your mind. That's a common misconception. Instead, it's about noticing your thoughts, accepting them without judgment, and gently bringing your focus back to the present moment. So, why should we practice mindfulness? Research shows that mindfulness can help reduce stress, increase happiness, and improve overall quality of life. Can even help with managing pain and improving emotional well-being. In a fast-paced world, mindfulness gives us a way to slow down, reset, and reconnect with ourselves. The good news is there's no one right way to practice mindfulness. It looks different for everyone. For some people, mindfulness might be a meditation or a self-compassion exercise, learning to be a little kinder to yourself. For others, it could be something as simple as taking a walk outside, paying attention to your surroundings, or even focusing on the feeling of water during a shower. The key is to be present, to allow your thoughts to come and go, and focus on what you can see, feel, or experience right now. Most importantly, be kind to yourself in the process. Let's take a quick moment to practice mindfulness together. If you're comfortable, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale slowly out through your mouth. Again, breathe in and out. As you breathe, just notice the feeling of the air moving in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, that's totally okay. Just bring your focus back to your breath. Let's take one more deep breath together. And when you're ready, return your attention back to the room. Mindfulness doesn't have to be long in duration to have large impacts on reducing our stress. Even short activities like this breathing exercise can help us to relax and be more present. If you're not sure where to start, there are plenty of free and accessible resources available. Apps like Calm and Headspace offer guided mindfulness exercises you can do anytime. There are also excellent websites, including the American Mindfulness Research Association, selfcompassion.org by Dr. Kristen Neff, and UC San Diego's Center for Mindfulness, which offers free videos and guided audio practices. If you prefer books, titles like Mindfulness for Beginners or Wherever You Go, There You Are by John Kabat-Zinn are great places to begin. As you move into Stress Awareness Month and beyond, consider bringing mindfulness with you. We invite you to pause, breathe, and be present. Start small, find whatever works for you. And remember, mindfulness is a practice, it's not perfection. Even a few minutes a day can make a meaningful difference in how you feel and experience your life. Thank you for being here and watching our video. If you like this content and want to see more, please subscribe to our playlist. Also, take a look at the resources we shared in the description below for more helpful information about this topic. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next Heart Bunch video.